Today I'm going to make you a classic margherita pizza. Why? Because June 11th is National Margherita Pizza Day. And as if you needed a reason, I guess that's a pretty good reason. I think the difference between a mediocre margherita pizza and an extraordinary margherita pizza is fresh, high-quality ingredients. And today, that's what we're going to use. Today's video is sponsored by us, GF Explorers, and our gluten-free pizza blend. Today I've par-baked a 10-inch crust. This package makes 4 10-inch crust. You can check it out at gfexplorers.com. So let's get started. I have our fresh, no-cook tomato sauce. You can get the recipe for that right up here. Watch that video. Quick and easy recipe. That's the base of any good margherita pizza. And I always like to put a very light coating of pizza sauce on my pizza. I like the crust to shine through as well as the fresh ingredients we're going to use. So as you can see the crust through the tomato sauce. It's a nice thin coating we're going to put on there, and you want to get it nice and even around your pizza. And you can see I'm leaving about a 1/2 inch all the way around so we have a nice crust. Next, we're going to put on our fresh mozzarella. I like to use the small fresh mozzarella balls from either Murray's Cheese Shop or Bel Gioioso. Both make delicious fresh mozzarella. I slice them into thirds so I have nice pockets of fresh mozzarella all throughout our pizza. I'm just going to go ahead and spread these out. And you can put as much or as little cheese on your pizza as you want. I like quite a bit of cheese, so I'm going to make sure I get plenty of cheese in every bite. Next, we're going to hit it with some freshly grated Pecorino Romano. You can also use a nice aged Parmesan. And we're going to top it with a little bit of Italian seasoning blend. And finally, we have our basil. Now, you can make a choice here. You can either put your basil on and bake it with your pizza in the oven. It tends to turn black. It doesn't really affect the flavor, but to me, it doesn't look as pretty. So what I'm going to do is wait till our pizza comes out of the oven and then hit it with the basil at the end. I like that nice, fresh, crisp basil. So there you have it. This is ready to go in the oven. I started out by putting my pizza stone in a cold oven. You'll always want to make sure you put your stone in a cold oven, not a hot oven, otherwise you risk cracking the stone. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. This pizza is going to cook for approximately 15 minutes. Your oven may vary, and always be sure and check your crust for your level of doneness. Let's have a look at our pizza. Oh, it looks a little crispy. I don't have a good edge on my peel, so I'm going to kind of lift this up and slide it right off. I like to cut my pizzas before I put my final toppings on. That way, if you put them on, if you put your basil on and cut the pizza, they're going to fall off, they're going to go down into the slice. So let's cut our pizza first. Just a standard 1/8 cut. And while it's still steaming hot like this, I like to get the basil on because it'll wilt under the heat of the pizza. We'll get some on every single slice. And to finish, we're going to hit it with a little bit of fresh extra virgin olive oil. And then one thing I like to do, which is a little bit different, is hit it with some Maldon sea salt. And if you're not familiar with Maldon sea salt, you should be. It's a very light in flavor finishing sea salt that's very crunchy and crispy. So besides highlighting the flavors on your pizza, it's also going to add a little bit of crunch to the top of it. And there you have it, fresh, classic margherita pizza. And of course we have to pair this with a wine. So today I've got a Primarius Pinot Noir from Oregon, another Trader Joe's special, $12.99. It's a light Pinot Noir. Great for sitting on the porch with a margherita pizza and a fresh salad on a hot summer's day. So we're going to give this a little try. That's going to go great with the pizza. And then I am going to dig in. Once again, fresh ingredients. Take a classic pizza, make it really extraordinary. The Maldon sea salt highlights the flavor, it adds a great crunch to the top of the pizza. There you have it, guys. Classic margherita pizza for National Margherita Pizza Day, June 11th. Thanks for following along. Be sure and like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification button for other recipes we have coming up soon. And until next time, cheers.